And hello everyone! This week I have a lot of animation to do, so I don't have a lot of time for my YouTube channel, but as I promised you to make one lesson per week for you to participate with me, it's going to be something very simple this time. So in this rather short video, we are going to make something that is good to train our hand-eye coordination for drawing. So it's an exercise that's really good for people who don't have a lot of experience in drawing, as well as a really good warm-up exercise for those of you who are more experienced and just want to start their day or just want to relax a little bit with something very, very easy. So come with me and let's draw some lines. And when I say let's draw some lines, I really mean just draw some lines. Just draw 3 different lines on the paper, one on the left, one on the far right, and one in the middle. And then, well, it doesn't matter which medium you take. You can take it with pencil or with ink or liner or whatever. I took a fountain pen in this case. When you have your lines down, you just retrace the lines that are on the paper. I started by retracing on the left, and then after a while I went on and started to retrace the middle line in the direction to the left line. A little difficulty of this exercise is to connect the 2 different lines in the middle where they meet, so that you have like a fluid motion from the left to the middle to the right. Your lines don't have to be perfect. The goal of this exercise is simply to train your hand-eye coordination. So you watch the line that is on the paper and you just try to retrace that line. So it doesn't have to be exact and it doesn't have to be perfect. Your line can change, but try to keep an even distance and keep the line in as much as you can in a flowing motion. The longer you do this, the flowier your line gets. So this really isn't a difficult exercise. It is a really good warm-up exercise if you are already more experienced and just want to start your day working. But it's also a very good beginner's exercise for those who don't have much experience with drawing, because it simply creates positive memories connected to drawing. Like, you don't have a very difficult picture you want to try and get right on the first time and then you're frustrated if it doesn't work. In this exercise, you cannot mess up. You just do, it's no pressure, and in the end you're going to have a nice looking picture, and also you will have trained your muscle memory. Although it's not very complicated, if you do this once or twice per week, like just take your 15 minutes and do this little exercise, you will simply get more comfortable holding a pen or a pencil or anything, and it will impact your drawing. So you can either draw the lines yourself like I did, but I also have prepared some sheets for you to download. You can just click on the link, go to my Patreon, there's a thread where you can download these sheets for free and print them, so you don't necessarily have to do this exercise all the time in your sketchbook. And you just go from the left to the middle, from the middle to the left, and so on until your page is full, and connect those lines with some, fluid motions, I would say. I hope you like this little simple lesson. Next time we're going to get into something more complicated again, but sometimes simple exercises, warm-up practices, and so on are quite important for your brain, just to stay positive about drawing and have some fun. So I will see you next time. Bye!